What you doing, Brian?
So we're going to take off your side cover to expose the onboard diagnostics port.
Okay.
So we can use the GS911 tool and we can update a few things on your bike.
For the maintenance lights and everything, right?
Maintenance,
And service intervals.
service intervals, heated grips, get you, if you want the BMW logo,
Right.
you know, make life a ride kind of thing on there. The nice thing is the people at GS911 have thrown a few nice things our way that allow us to kind of give us different screens and different functions.
Right.
To the motorcycle. Now, you're running a stock battery, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to get a battery charger out.
Yeah.
So most BMWs with their stock battery, even if it's almost new,
Right.
do not like running very long on the with the key and being connected to external things.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
So one thing that is kind of nice with BMW, this little plug right here, this is where they show you to plug into your positive right here.
Yeah.
So you don't have to take the whole battery out. So we'll
Go
just
straight
set a
if you wanna,
battery
if in
charger
case
right on there.
you want a jumper.
Yep, that's
jumper.
also where you can jump start it,
Exactly.
all those different things.
Yeah.
So I have a Shore Eye battery in my bike, my 23 unit, that I put in essentially from day one once the bike came home.
Okay.
And it's pretty amazing because I can run off of the GS 911 with the key onto the bike for, I've been connected as long as 20-25 minutes before.
Okay.
There's that, and we'll go to motorcycle mode, and boom, it will charge. All right, you got your key fob.
Yep.
Right now, one thing also too that you'll notice that you don't have that we'll also put on there. So
Right.
when we hit the right wonder wheel to the right, you notice that the sports screen doesn't go anywhere.
Right, right.
So we're going to put in the track package on here, which is the timer and stuff like
Ah,
that.
okay, okay. So you're using the 911 system.
Yep. So first thing we're going to do is go to a detected vehicle,
Okay, okay.
and it's going to ask me once I scan the controllers if I want to add the VIN number to my list.
Okay.
So there's basically all your different types of controllers. So a couple of things that we're going to have, you've had a couple of faults. One's no big deal. The no response from the tire pressure is always normal.
Okay.
And apparently at one point it didn't pick up your keyless ride.
Okay.
So those are nothing too big. Here's your VIN number. So I'll clear all the faults. So now we're going to go to instrument cluster, and we're going to go to service functions. Okay, it's connecting. See, so now you see it automatically comes up with coding functions here. So now we'll select coding functions, startup animation, add VIN to list. Once I do this, it'll allow me to make the changes. So it's getting all of your information on all of your controllers.
Yeah.
So there it is. So now you want the M logo, make life a ride?
Right, okay, yep. I like that one.
Okay, continue. And if you ever want to restore this, you know, there's a restore coding. So you can do that. You can also simply just select RS because we know it's an RS.
Ah, okay, okay.
All right, it completed it successfully. So let's go to Sport menu, Options. Oh, that's actually already enabled. So actually what I want is the lap timer menu. Yeah. Now your lap timers, see how they're all disabled right now?
Okay.
So we're going to enable it, enable the lap timer, and enable the lap timer menu, and enable racetrack mode settings menu.
Right.
What the racetrack mode setting menu does, when you select that mode, anything that's Bluetooth, navigation, anything to the bike, it kills all those menus for race mode. That way there's no interference or anything like that, nothing to distract you.
Okay.
So go to here, reset service reminder. It's getting your current information. So current information, motorcycle date is January 13, 2024. Odometer reading 789 miles. Let me choose a custom date. So 25, we'll change this to 26. 2 years is the limit.
Okay.
32, so 32, 789. Continue. Okay, so that's been sent. That's done. Heated grips. I love having the 6 settings. Now my bike only came with 3. Yours probably came with 3 also.
Yeah. For the,
but they're limited. So here, right here, we'll change it to 6.
So that way you have more.
You have you can fine tune it. So we put level 1 at 10%.
Okay.
We put level 2 at 25%. Level 3 at 35%. Level 4 is 50.
75.
75. And the full gambit. So this gives you a way to really fine tune it. You know, you can be pretty low or pretty hot or whatever.
So you have more options in other words, exactly, yeah.
So now let's see what your indicators are set at. Comfort indicators are already there. So what this long press duration is, you see how it's 0 milliseconds?
Oh, okay.
So if we set this to 10 milliseconds, what that means, if you hold it on left turn for 10 milliseconds or longer before you release it, you extend the amount of time your turn signals will flash before they auto turn off.
Oh, okay.
So
nice.
That's what your long press is. So that way it's, right now it was set at instant. So if you just bump it like that.
One time,
that's
before it gets click, right?
Yeah.
You saying? Okay.
Yeah. So we'll set you at actually 15 milliseconds.
So it's just like a touch.
Yeah. If you just touch and hold, if you count to 1 while you're holding it, you've exceeded the 15 milliseconds by far. So
nice.
Continue.
And of course you can do this one in the GS too. Maybe.
I'm not sure if this coding is available for the ECU on the 1200.
Exactly. Actually, it's like that guy.
On all the 1250s, it is.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure if it's on the 1200. You could go to the GS911 website and see what coding functions are available. What year is yours? 18?
17.
17?
Kind of old, yeah.
Second to last year before they changed to the 1250. And that is pretty much it.
Wow, so quick.
Yep.
Quick and easy, I mean, you know.
Yeah, so actually what we'll do now is we'll turn the bike off.
Okay. Turn the bike off.
Yep. This will all gray out after a second.
Oh, okay.
Because it's not going to be able to read anything anymore. So now we'll go through the menu and we'll just kind of check everything that's available.
Yeah.
There you go, there's your Make Life a Ride.
Beautiful. I love it.
And now when we immediately go right, now there's your lap timer.
There you go. Okay.
Now, when you want to start the lap, you pull your headlight. Your high beam flashes it. Now, you cannot stop it. It just resets, but it's defaulted. The minimum reset time is 30 seconds. So I can sit here and hit the high beam over and over, and it's not gonna. It's still running. And what it'll do once we hit 30 seconds, we can actually reset it.
Okay.
It'll start a new lap. You can see it just started to 0.
Yeah.
And then if we go down for menu, we can hit stop recording. Okay, so when you're back into the menu, we stopped recording, and then we can go delete all laps.
Okay.
So it deleted the laps. And if your best ever, it'll auto record your best lap ever. Now it doesn't know what track you did this at,
Exactly,
just whatever
yeah,
the
right.
time is. You could hit OK to delete it. And then you use your menu button to go back to the screen, and you use your Wonder Wheel to go left or right. And so now we will actually just go to settings.
Okay.
And here's where you would turn racetrack on.
Okay.
And we're going to go system settings, shift light. Have you ever configured your shift light or anything?
No.
So let's go to configuration. So you've got it starting at 5,000 RPMs. That's definitely
good. Okay.
No, that's
Kind of high.
kind of low.
Oh, kind of low. Okay.
We'll have it start coming on at 8
Okay.
and end at 95 is fine. Brightness. This is the frequency you can choose. Slower, faster. 8 hertz is the fastest.
About what? That one? The
That gets your attention right there.
Ah, okay.
So yeah,
There you go.
you have 32,000 miles remaining, 113.26. Now I'll show you a couple of things in your menu. You
Okay.
see this ridiculously large number?
8478.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
That's the amount of time that the bike is basically sat with the key turned off.
Okay.
Reset all values, back out. And here on the first trip, this one you can reset individual values.
Okay.
So we'll reset your journey. We'll reset your brake.
Break. Okay.
So if you were to let the bike sit 10 hours overnight, and before you got back on the bike, you would see 10 hours.
Okay. Okay.
Current trip, so reset that. And if you'll get 2 more screens to the right if you get some sort of service light on, like 600 miles before this 32,000 miles hit, you'll get 1 extra screen saying that you have a service reminder.
Oh,
And
okay.
then when you hit it, it'll give you another screen, services are due, take it to the nearest dealer.
Ah, okay. Okay.
How it's set currently.
Okay.
So the first thing for hill start control to work, the bike has to be running, bike has to be off side stand, no stands down.
Okay.
You grab the brake lever quickly and hard.
Okay. You can see the sign of the H.
Yep. And you notice now we can't move the bike.
Okay.
It's manually locked up.
Even if it's a flat.
Yep. And look how sensitive it is. So if I pull in the clutch, drop it into gear, he'll hold and stays. Now Triumph is pretty bad with their hill hold control. You'd always stall the bike.
Ah, okay. Oh, okay. Just like a barely take it out of the clutch.
It came up. I gave a little bit of throttle.
Oh, okay.
You can't use hill hold, see it won't let you do it when the side stands down.
Whenever you have the same, okay.
Yeah, it'll show you that it doesn't work. It's a really nice feature when
Honestly, yeah.
when you're sitting at a hill or a light, and let's say you want to, you know you're at a long light, train track, whatever. You're gonna leave the bike run for a minute. You want to check your phone, so you just hit hill hold control, throw it in neutral, and
Check
get into your
everything
bag, check
without
everything.
without hands, yeah.
No hands.
That's
or
a very
anything.
good feature, like you said, yeah.
Yep. So you're all done, my friend.
Thank you very much, Brian. I appreciate your time and invite me right into your very nice garage when your RS2, same year, different color, and your Triumph over there. Very nice rack right here.
Yeah, the Tiger is the wife's bike.
Here you go.
It's a 900 GT LRH 2020 model.
2020. Very nice color. I like it.
Got a few nice mods on there that the wife has picked out over the few years.
It's got a big screen.
That's actually the stock screen. But it does have oversized winglets on it.
Okay.
These these pieces here are a little bit taller. The factory
Forward.
ones were about like that.
Wow.
One thing that's kind of nice on this bike is they integrated the. One thing I did like that Triumph did that I wish BMW would have done.
Okay.
If you go look at the brake lights, they integrated the turn signals from the factory. So
That's a good thing. Good,
my
good feature.
wife's bike, you can see her very well, and you can see when it's a turn signal.
Right,
You know,
right.
It continues to function. There's been no alterations to these.
It's very bright too, and very
Yes.
big. Thank you very much, Brian. I appreciate your invitation right here into your shop. Thanks for watching.